Unbalanced Vibration, guys. What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! Check out the view. Check out the view. I love this. I love this. So today, as you guys all know, this is day 8 of the juice fasting, and yeah, I have my bro here with me. He's actually also in this journey together with me for his first time. So he has agreed to do some testimonials because for this guy is the first time he's fasting in his life. So let's find out how the thing is going for him, what motivated him to do this, and maybe some advice for people who are like wanting to do this. So I hope you guys are ready. So bro,
Yes.
what's up? Tell
Hello.
tell the people who you are, what do you do for living, and yeah, just introduce yourself.
My name is Robin. I'm a trader, just as Victor. We're business partners actually. So yeah, that's my full-time job now, trading,
Nice.
networking.
So how long have you been doing that?
I almost 2 years.
Yes. And how is the business going?
The business
How is the
going
business
great.
going?
It's going great.
Nice,
I
nice.
love the freedom. I
Aight,
love
bro.
it.
Lovely. Yeah, maybe in the future we're gonna do something about that, do a vlog about the things that we do as well. But okay, let's get down to business. So bro, I would like you to start by just telling the viewers, like, first of all, what got you started with this fasting, and also how are you feeling? How are you taking the journey? How is it moving for you?
It's moving great. I now fasting almost 1 week, and
I
yeah,
think it's more than 1 week. Is it not 7 or 8 days?
8 days, 8 days.
Yeah.
And yeah, actually I feel great. I thought I didn't have energy before I gonna do this, but I have more energy. So yeah, I feel great. I loved the experience for doing this. It's really a challenge for me. Victor inspired me for doing this challenge, and yes, for personal growth it's very nice. The experience, it's yeah, getting out my comfort zone, and that was my goal, getting more at my comfort zone, and yeah, just growing.
Thank you for sharing. So another question, or the last question that I would like to ask you, bro, for anybody who is watching this now or maybe in the future, because you know we're timeless beings. So what advice would you give to anybody who is like in your spot, who actually has never done any sort of fasting before and is like contemplating or thinking about like maybe doing this? So what advice would you give them, or how would you like, what would you say from your own personal experience?
Yes, just the advice I want to give is just do it, just try it, and prepare yourself to do it. You make look some for nice juices, you can hold it out, and yeah, that's what I want to share. It's just experience, you challenge yourself and get out your comfort zone, grow, and yeah, it's 1 week without food. It's crazy. I
So-
don't believe it.
So you've been going now for 1 week and you have 2 more weeks to go. Is this something that you gonna, like, let me say, would you do this in the future again at some point, or is it like, are you like, okay, I'm just gonna do this once and I'm never gonna do this again, or do you think that this is something that you can just incorporate in your life and you can be doing it, like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 times in the year or something?
Yes, I think I'm going to do it more, but it's good for your body, for your health. So yeah, to clear your body. So yeah,
Yeah.
really gonna do
And
it.
maybe one last question. This one is also, I think this can also help people. How do you think that this experience has influenced your, let me say, eating habits and the things that you put in your body?
Yes, it's just living healthy, and
Has something changed for you?
yes, I think the things that I don't like to eat, No, I can eat everything.
Maybe that's not a good idea to just eat everything.
No,
But
no,
I think
no.
it's a feeling that you're having right now, right? Because
Yeah.
you're missing your food, but of course you're walking through the struggles. So that's cool. Well, bro, thank you for sharing. And
Thank you.
so yeah, guys, this is my bro Robin. As I said, we do business together, and actually we've known each other for a very long time because we used to dance together as well. So I hope that his sharing inspired anybody who is out there who is like thinking of doing some fast. And yeah, if you have any question, you can always reach out, and we are here for you. So with
Yes.
that being said, bro, anything to say before we close up?
Um, yes, just be healthy this times, and yeah, peace, love,
Alright,
only good vibes.
that's what's up. Only good vibes. And with that being said, guys, wholeness and balanced vibrations. Take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next day 9 of the juicing challenge.